Alright, welcome to Cosmic Reach Community Roundup for April 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th of 2024. We had several new versions come out, the first one being 0.1.23 on April 15th, 0.1.24 on April 16th, 0.1.25 on April 18th, 0.1.26 on April 18th, which just fixed a bug from the previous update, 0.1.27 on the 19th, and 0.1.28 on the 20th. A bunch of new localization efforts are underway, with many languages being supported, as well as a few text-related bugs being fixed or just improved. We have a memory leak issue being fixed, more text and localization updates, and in 0.1.25, stairs were added, which is big for me because in my pre-alpha world I have a lot of makeshift staircases because stairs weren't in the game yet, so now I can go back and replace all those. We also have block state generators, which is good for data modders, and one example of that is replacing the generate slabs JSON with the state generators JSON, and then you can specify what kind of block variants you want in an array. So if you don't know what that means, that's fine. If you do know what it means, then you're probably excited for it. In 0.1.27, there were some movement fixes and tweaks, and the biggest change for me in this update would be player no longer glitches into the ground when falling, which we're going to demonstrate in a little bit. This has been a persistent problem ever since the game came out. And in 0.1.28, the asphalt block was added, which I don't know what that is. We're going to check it out in a second. A bunch of bug fixes and then some localization efforts as well. Additionally, on my YouTube channel, I have the bridge showcase, which came out recently, and this is the showcase for that bridge contest that I was holding, or bridge challenge, I guess. It wasn't really a contest, where I just go through each of the 5 submissions, look over each of them in this video, and then declare a winner. It's just for fun, and we get to see some interesting builds, so check out this video if you're interested. Alright, so here we are in the game. You can see in the bottom right here, we're in 0.1.26, and the issue with falling through blocks came out in 0.1.27. We're going to quickly try to fall through a block just so I can show you what that looks like. So if I fall from this height and there's a 1 block platform, and I hit it, I'll just fall straight through it. Now in the bottom right, you can see we're on 0.1.28, and if I try to fall from the same heights, we shouldn't fall through it. Good, yeah, so we land right on it. If we look in the inventory, you can see, some of these blocks actually have that little pixel glitch you can see with the lines on the edge of the vertices of the blocks. I'm assuming this will get fixed soon, just a little graphical error, nothing too bad. The first thing I'm looking for is that asphalt block, and I actually, oh, is this it? This black block up here? I don't know what asphalt, I can't picture in my head what asphalt looks like. One way to see what these blocks are, because we don't have tooltips yet, is to pull up the debug menu with F3 and then look at the block. And in the top left of the screen, you can see base asphalt, base stone basalt, and base lunar soil packed. And so this black block is the asphalt. I really like it. I was explaining in the bridge showcase video that in order to do black blocks in vanilla in this game without data mods, you should be using the lamps, but you can turn them off. So for example, if I place down a lamp like this, then I can turn it off just by right-clicking on it, and that's about as black as you're going to get. But now that we have the asphalt block, we can just use that instead, and it is a lot darker. So very nice. And then the next thing I want to show is the stairs, because before we didn't have stairs in this game. So you can see we have aluminum stairs, cheese stairs, glass stairs, and then just basically stairs of all different types. One thing you'll notice is there are no lamp stairs. There are only stairs of other blocks so far. Maybe that'll be added in the future. Doink, 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 doink. Oh, this one actually does glow. Okay, so the magma block does glow, so there's no issue with that working. I thought maybe the lamp stairs don't exist just because it's not implemented well for stairs to light up, but it looks like it is viable. Doink, 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 doink. And those are all the stairs in the vanilla game so far. And one quick improvement I want to suggest for the game is that when you go into F1 mode to hide the HUD, it should get rid of the black outline on the block in front of you. I've found that to be a little bit annoying if I'm trying to take a good photo and I want to look at this block, for example, and I just want to take a screenshot. The black line around the stair is pretty annoying. So just an improvement for the future. There's not too much in terms of community posts, but we'll get to them. So the first one is this cake by Sir Ninja Monkey. It's dirt blocks and snow on top of that, and these aren't vanilla blocks. Vanilla cake, get it? These aren't blocks that are vanilla. Man. These blocks aren't originally in the game, at least yet. This is through a data mod, but I thought it looked pretty cool. Here's a screenshot of .3DZ working on some redstone. The reason I wanted to show this is that I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. This game should not have redstone. Let's go for something else. In the mods section, we have Crater Chat, which is a chat and commands with API. It's a quilt mod. Press T to open the chat and run any command you can find by running /help. So as you can see, we have /clearchat, /help, /teleport, and /version 1.1.0. We have /help, /plugins, and then some other stuff as well. I think I saw another mod like this a long time ago, around the time when the game first launched, and maybe it was a fabric mod. So I'm not sure what the difference is between this one and that one, but I'm assuming that we'll see more of them pop up in the future. Eventually, I think we'll get this in the vanilla game. In terms of the Discord channel itself, under the forum section, there's a new forum channel called Language Hub. And if we look at the guidelines, you can see language talk about translating the game to this language, community talk about non-English Cosmic Reach related communities, and discussion talk about anything else if it's related to localization or other languages. And as you can see, I've posted my own thread here with Morse code, so make sure that you contribute to this thread. Give us some messages. Let's get some conversation going in here. I think Morse code as a feature in the game would be great. I think it would really improve, everything basically. It would bolster the player base and really just add so much substance to the base game. So please take some time to post in here. And although it didn't seem like too much, that's all for the past 6 days. So thank you for watching.